Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready to make some money? Because we are playing Dice Master 3D. Now, this is reportedly another scam app, everyone. Apparently, this is just trying to get people to watch advertisements so the developers get ad money. So, interesting enough, we have another app that's trying to scam people, apparently. I'm going to give this a try, guys. This is Dice Master 3D. Let's try and earn that PayPal money, hey? How do I even, get involved here? Let's go. Now what? There's no sound on this, by the way. There's literally no sound from what I can tell. Fruit Jam, match 777 to win $1,000. Yeah, let's win that money. I'm excited. Here we go. Did I get $1? Oh, it's on, everyone. $1. Congratulations. Watch a short video to get a chance to increase your reward. No thanks. Okay, I just got $1 single dollar. We have 50 rolls to go here. You get 1 dice per 15 minutes, everyone. Really? Really, developers? 1 dice per 15 minutes? Sure, dude. Either way, 5. Just rolled a 5. Landed on nothing. Okay, so it seems like you have to land on the coins. No worries. Let's keep rolling. Rolled a 4. And I got 1,000 coins. Collect more coins and you receive amazing rewards. Yeah, sure. Okay, what kind of amazing rewards can I get? So, $100. PayPal. Cash out. Okay. I need to collect 100 of the tokens. Right. We may cancel your order. Yeah, sure, dude. Redeem. Reach 100 to cash out. Okay, what about the cash here? 1.6 billion coins will get you a $2 Amazon gift card. I don't know where to start anymore. I just don't understand why these apps exist and why Google allows these apps to exist, everyone. What money do you guys think we're going to win? How are we going to get $1.6 billion or whatever that just was? It just hurts my feelings. Let's keep rolling here. You guys have to suffer this with me right now, okay? So buckle in. We're going to try and win millions of dollars here, everyone. This is going to make us millionaires, alright? With PayPal, gift cards and Amazon gift cards, whatever. Let's make some cash. We just won 1,000 coins again. Beautiful. In the time that I've recorded, which has been nearly 2.5 minutes, we managed to only rack up about 4,000 coins. Not that much at all compared to the 1.6 billion needed, by the way. This is sad to me. You guys let me know in the comments what you think about this game, alright? Seriously, let me know what you think about Dice Master 3D. Oh, apparently I just won $5. Yes! Okay, I just won 5 real-life dollars. Now, just remember, I need to try and get to 100, so of course I'm going to watch the ad to try and up my reward, okay? I'm going to watch the ad and let's see what kind of reward it gives me. Will it give me a ×5? Let's find out. Here we go, everyone. Let's win that money. And of course, it's 1 × 5. Cool, bro. Yeah, that's what I wanted. $7.5. Just rolled a 6. What am I going to land on here? Oh, we got the Fruit Jam again. Yeah, let's win some serious cash. What have we got? What have we got? Nothing. Beautiful. So you can watch an ad as well if you want to spin that wheel again, everyone. This is where the game brings the slot machine element into it, okay? That's why I could actually call this a casino if I wanted to, because this is kind of like a casino app right now, legitimately. Here we go, what do we got here? I wish there was sound. I don't know why there's no sound. The game's broken, dude. Oh, there's $10 rewards there, okay? No worries. Let's spin this again. Or let's roll it again, should I say. Just constantly getting this slot machine right now, literally. This is all the app is, bro. Seriously, 1,000 reward. This is awesome. 6, just rolled a 6. Landed on a plane. Reached 25,000 coins to fly to the next place. Okay, I need 25,000 coins. I'm only on 6.5 thousand. Do I want to times my cash reward? Nope, I'm not going to watch an ad just to up my gold. No, thank you. I can't stand apps that try and force you guys to watch ads. It's just devastatingly bad. There we go. I got nothing at all from that slot machine. Let's gamble again. Keep saying day. What's with the day? Congratulations, $5. I'll take the $5. I now have $13.50, guys. Remember, we need to grind to 100. Okay, daily bonus. Check in. Nice. Okay, just checked in. I'm now on $19,000. We're getting there. We can almost unlock that airport. 5, 7, 10. Okay, so 1, 5, 10. Nothing. Pretty much that was a useless roll. That's okay, let's keep rolling. I still can't believe you only get 1 roll per 15 minutes. That's just insane to me. Just reminds me of Plinko Master, everyone. That game was a disaster as well. Still just rolling here. I'm going to try and get as many rolls as I can in here. I'm hopefully going to unlock the airport for you all, so you can all see what the airport will bring us. I'm sure it's not going to bring us anything different, let's be real. We'll find out in a second though, get ready. 1k, 1k, and 1k. Beautiful. Alright. Let's keep on rolling this dice. Should be okay, hopefully. Congratulations, $5. No thank you. So now I'm on $18.50, everyone. We're doing okay. I'm sure that there's people that are going to hack these apps, by the way. There's no way that this is a legitimate app, because people hack apps all the time to try and get the good cash. I just realized something. We have to land on the airport to unlock it. Oh my lord, I have $23,000 and I need 25 to unlock the airport. Really, app? Really? Dice Master 3D, why are you doing this to me? Seriously, bro. Match 777 to win the $1,000 prize. I need to get that 7, dude. I need to get 3 of those 7s to get the $1,000 prize. Legit. Alright, so 3,000 coins. No thanks. Let's keep rolling. I can't believe that this is a legitimate app, dude. Like, honestly, guys, you gotta remember that, like, how are you gonna rack up 1.6 billion coins? It just doesn't make sense. Oh, look, $5 again. Wow. Congratulations, you got $5. I'm on $23 right now. What's the bet that this game is going to be so slow trying to reward me the rest of the cash? Honestly. I heard that, judging from the reviews, that this app slows down dramatically the higher you go with cash, just like the rest of those apps out there. So 18 out of 50 rolls right now. Slowly getting down on our rolls. Let's spin that wheel. Give me something good. Come on. 5, 7, 7. Oh, so close to the $1,000 prize. Yeah, right. Yeah, right, everyone. I was nowhere near that prize. We all know it. Alright, we're going to the airport now. Here we go. Spin. Why am I at a slot machine at the airport? Oh, well, it gave me $5 anyway. I'll take that. I'm not going to argue with you. No thanks. Evaluate. Later. Okay, we're at the new area, which is a barn of sorts. Cool. This is literally all the app is, by the way. This is all there is to do. 6,000 gold. So it looks like you get better rewards the further you get into the app. So you're going to have to keep grinding out the gold, everyone. That's the gist of this story right now. Okay. Now it's starting to make more sense. You get higher rewards though the further you go, but, like, it's still the same concept. 1.6 billion gold is ridiculously high. And imagine how much of a grind you have to do to try and get to that with gold. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Why does it say Fruit Jam there? If it's Dice Master 3D. I don't understand that. Such a weird app. I've never played an app like this before, guys, where you roll the dice and try and, like, land on the rewards. It's interesting. It is interesting, definitely. I got 6,000 gold. I can try and watch an ad. No, thank you. I'm not going to try and duplicate that or upgrade that reward. I'm almost out of dice rolls here anyway, so it's all good. Keep this up. Come on. Once more. No, thank you. There we go. 8. Just rolled a 4. Another spin. Just remember, the game does offer you a chance to double up your reward every single time you spin that wheel. So you have to keep that in mind, guys. It actually takes about, like, 3 seconds for that no thanks to pop up as well, funny enough. Here we go. 2k, 2k, and 2k. Get. Let's keep it up. Almost at 50,000 gold, everyone. I'm not too sure what else we're going to do here in the app. But I haven't made millions yet, and I haven't made a ton of money. Oh, 12k. I'll take that. And now we can watch an ad to try and times that by 5, which I'm not going to do. Almost on 60,000 gold, everyone. 4 rolls left in the house here. Here we go. Gonna land on nothing. What a waste of a roll, but now I've definitely landed on something. I can almost guarantee this app is not randomly generated. It has to be planned, okay? It has to be. 120k coins to fly to the next area. And I'm out of rolls. That's it. Get 5 rolls and watch an ad. There you have it, everyone. There's the typical watch an ad and get the rewards to make some money. Nah, I'm not playing this game. I'm not doing it. I'm sorry. Guys, that is Dice Master 3D in a nutshell. Watch ads, get pennies, and maybe not even get paid. Good luck out there if you're going to play this. See you around, everyone. Check out my videos for more gambling scam videos. See you later.